For this photo, we've got this really nice jungle kind of environment. So I'm going to show you a few preliminary adjustments I've applied to the image so far. As you can see, muted those greens quite heavily, but now what I want to do is really bring out some more light in the photo. Over on the right side panel here, we've got the radial filter. What I'm going to do is just brush this over the top of the image. We can just raise the shadows on this top half over on the right. Then I'm going to just maybe increase the exposure a touch. Move on to another radial filter and just sort of create some more dynamic light coming through the middle here. And what I'm going to do is increase the temperature slider. You can see that nice golden light coming through there. Perhaps looking a bit yellow, so I might adjust the tint just a bit pinker. Increase the exposure again. I think that looks good. One last radial filter brush just to open up some more details at the bottom of this photo. Looking quite dark. Increase the exposure and shadows slightly there. And you can see it really brings out the details in the bottom half of that photo. What I'm going to do now is just head over into that detail panel, increase the sharpening, but what this could do is introduce some unwanted noise. So we're going to mask that sharpening so it's only touching the edges of our photo. Hold the Alt or Option key on Mac and then just slide that across. What that does is just applies the sharpening onto those white regions and allows us to manage the noise properly. So if we zoom in now on the bottom half of this photo, we can really see when those ferns look really crispy. So here's the before shot. The greens are quite dominant in the photo and the light is quite all over the place. And then the after photo, you can really see brought out a lot of detail in the bottom half of the photo and added that nice dynamic light with the radial filters, creating a nice balanced image.